Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve SOF International Mathematics Olympiad 2020 paper for class 6. Total there are 4 sections. We are going to solve first section logical reasoning. Other section we will solve in next video. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 1. If Rose is coded as 5436, chair is coded as 78915, then what will be the code for search? So here Rose is coded as 5436 and chair is coded as 78915. So we want search code. So as for S we will take 3, then for E 6, A 9, then R 5, C 7 and H 8. So search will be coded as 369578. So here A is correct answer. Question number 2. A set of 3 figures X, Y and Z showing a sequence of folding of piece of paper is given. If Z shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut, select the figure from the option which show the unfolded form of figure. So here Z is showing folded figure. If paper unfolded like this, then the figure will be like this, and if the paper is unfolded like this, then the figure will be like this. So here C is correct answer. Question number 3. Select a figure from the option which will continue the same series as established by the problem figure. So here in a given figure, this figure is repeated here. So next will be this figure, and it is same as option B. So here B is correct answer. Question number 4. How many 3's are there in the given series which are immediately preceded by 9 as well as immediately followed by 6? It means there should be 9 before 3 and 6 after 3. So there are 2 3's which are immediately preceded by 9 as well as immediately followed by 6. So here C is correct answer. Question number 5. There is a certain relationship between the left pair of the alphabets. Establish the same relationship in the right pair and find the missing term. In left side we check the first letter of 2 pair A and I. So in between A and I there are 7 alphabets, and in between G and O there are 7 alphabets. So here right side we have to find this question mark. Here given next pair and we have to find the first pair. So here first letter is M. We will come back side, 7 letter gap, then E will come here, and next letter is S, K will come. Here D is correct answer. Question number 6. How many triangles are there in the given figure? So in this figure there are this 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. This 22, 23, 24. This outer big one is 25th one. So there are total 25 triangle. D is correct answer. Question number 7. How many meaningful words can be formed with letters C, E, I, V using each letter only once in each word? Using these letters only one word can form. wise. So here B is correct answer. Question number 8. Kanika correctly remembers that Pratik's birthday is before Sunday but after Thursday. Vipul correctly remembers that Pratik's birthday is after Friday but before Monday. On which of the following days does Pratik's birthday definitely fall? So according to Kanika, Pratik's birthday is before Sunday and after Thursday. Means his birthday will be on Friday or Saturday. And according to Vipul, Pratik's birthday is after Friday but before Monday. After Friday means on Saturday and before Monday means Sunday. Saturday is common in both. His birthday is definitely fall on Saturday. C is correct answer. Question number 9. Two positions of a dice are shown below. If 5 is on the top, then which number will be at the bottom? So here missing number in both is 5. So 5 will come this side. And opposite pairs are 1, 5, then 2, 4 and 3, 6. So if 5 number is at top, then 1 number will be at bottom. A is correct answer. Question number 10. Select a figure from the options which satisfies the same condition of placement of dots as in the given figure. So here in the given figure, this dot is placed in some part of square and circle, and this dot is placed in some part of square, circle and triangle. So here in option B, it is possible to place one dot in some part of circle, square and triangle, and one dot in some part of circle and square. So here B is correct answer. Question number 11. Pointing to a photograph, P said to his friend Q, "She is the only daughter of the father of my mother." How is P related to the person in the photograph? Father of P's mother means P's maternal grandfather, and only daughter of his grandfather means his mother, means P is the son. So here B is correct answer. Question number 12. In a row of 50 students, if Raman is 22nd from the top, then what is his rank from the bottom? So here we subtract total number minus 22 and 1 for Raman. So here 50 minus 22 is 28 and 28 plus 1 is 29. So Raman is 29th from the bottom. B is correct answer. Question number 13. Which of the following figures will complete the given figure matrix? In these first two figures, uncommon is this line. And in these two figures, these lines are uncommon. So in these two figures, uncommon is this. So instead of question mark, this will come. So here B is correct answer. Question number 14. Find the water image of the given figure. The water image of the given figure will be like C. Here C is correct answer. Question number 15. Which of the following Venn diagrams best represents the relationship amongst women, mothers and widows? So mothers and widows both are women. So here D is correct answer. Women's, mother, widows. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.